Hi everyone, I would like to introduce myself. I am Archana. I am representing safety as a city representative. Though I run my own organization called Human Rhythms, which obviously I'm not allowed to talk about right now. Safety is one of the organizations who is doing a lot of work on ground as well as on Twitter. Mostly our campaigns are based at Twitter only, so I'll just take you through quickly because it's just 3 minutes of time. The mission is educate, equip and empower. We are working towards all the segments for women empowerment, be it sexual harassment, be it domestic violence, be it any other dowry or anything related to that. We are all covering it here. The project description that I'm going to talk about is just 2 of them today, which is Voice of the Week and the Safety Chat that we are working on. Voice of the Week is basically we are selecting one of the important people, say like these 4 impaneled people who are sitting here. One of them have also been the guest in safety, one of the chats as well. And with this we provide a lot of discussions around gender equality. We are feminist, but we are feminist not really asking for something to make women empowered and make men maybe we are not really asking for men to go down anywhere else. It's just that the equality has to be there. And when you are talking about gender equality, you are actually asking for something which you need to know or which you need to be aware of as a person, as a human being, right? Not really a part of gender. So in 15 months from Voice of the Week, we have reached 21,000 tweets with 60 different curators from various backgrounds, from 12 different countries and 41 different cities. The impact of 1 week of Voice of the Week would be like something like this, which is 864 tweets to 61,000 impressions that we are making. Profile visits to safety 7,508. So this is the entire thing that you can see at the screen. This is the impact that it is showing. So you can see my name that in Delhi, Archana is making an impact for Voice of the Week. These are some of the people who have been part of the Voice of the Week. They have actually taken an entire thing for entire week talking about one particular topic. Be it sexual harassment, it can be domestic violence or any other specific thing which is related to women empowerment. So you have Dr. Alok Patil saying things about us, Dr. Ali Brandy from USA talking about us, Gaurav Garg, who was the first man who actually spoke about women empowerment through safety, is one of these people who have made impact. Safety chat. Now this is the weekly chat which we do on every Monday at 8:30 p.m. India time. We talk about WOW, which is Voice of the Week, women-related issues. Sorry, I'll just take one. This is the entire thing that we are talking about: sexual assault, especially role of media and safety, all those things. This is the impact in last 10 months. 40 Twitter chats so far, every week, 1,000 plus followers.